Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to be drawing a cupcake to celebrate Valentine's. So let's get started. To draw this sweet cupcake, let's first start by drawing the heart on top. So I'm going to come right here and I'm kind of angling my heart this way. So I'll start by right here, give myself a point, and from there I'm going to draw a big curve for the top, round it off for heart, and do the same thing on this side. So nice and round and big. And so, like I said, I'm angling it this way, so just keep that in mind. And I'll bring this down a little bit more and bring this down as well. So on this side, I'm not going to go as low because, like I said, I'm angling my heart and I'm putting it in the cupcake, right? So then I'm going to come right here and give my cupcake some dimension. So I'm just going to follow my cupcake, come down. Follow my heart and see about right there. I'll bring this down a little bit more, and then right here I'll just go ahead and just draw a curve right in here just to make it look like the heart is sitting in the cupcake. So then whatever space you have left, go ahead and just fill that in there. Okay, so then from there we're going to start to draw the cream on top of the cupcake, the frosting. And so about right here, I'll start a curve, nice round curve, and I'll just work on this side first. And I'm getting wider as I come down. And one more. Then on this side, I'll start about right here, and it'll be a little bit higher. So let's come about right here, and I'll stop about right here. So as you notice, I'm not going right across with my points. It's actually a little bit higher because I want my curves to kind of go up. That's the goal, but of course it doesn't really matter. So here we're just going to go again, one more nice big curve. And this curve right here, I want to end at the same level as this one. So because I'm drawing pretty big, I'm just going to drag a point across. So say about right here and end. There. Then from there I can go ahead and draw a big curve right across. So that's why I want it at the same level. From there I'm going to come back in here and draw some details inside. So I'm going to connect these 2 points. So whatever you've created, just go ahead, depending on where your point is. That's how you'll connect it. So say I go up and one here as well. So just go up. Nice dollop. There, yum, right? Okay, so then from there we're going to come right back here and give yourself just kind of fill it in a little bit if you like, and then we're going to draw our angle for our cupcake area, the cake area. So come down at an angle and just keep going down a little bit more. So we're right there. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. And now that I'm about the same level, I'll go ahead and connect it. So I'll round it off a bit and connect. There. Okay, so then we have that in. So now we can go ahead and put in all the details now that we have our basic cupcake in. So let's come in here and put some drastic cute eyes. So right about this area, I'll draw a big circle. And come right across about right here and draw another circle. There. I think this one's a little thinner. Okay, so then from there, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So come in here with 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. And then let's come above each eye, and we're just going to draw a soft curve on top. And then in between the eyes, let's draw a sweet smile. So let's come up here. I'm just going to draw a curve that kind of slightly goes up, cap it off, a little bit smaller on this side, and then we're just going to add U-S slant. And then come in here, just draw a tongue, and then I'll just shade this in right here. There, so happy, right? Okay, and then from there, let's give this cupcake some arms if you like. So I'll come about right here, kind of the center of this eye, and I'll just bring a curve in, and same thing over here. And let's bring it to about this area. So come down and about right here, and I'll go ahead and draw my hand. So it's kind of like a C, two C's, and one's flipped for this heart. And then let's continue our arms all the way back. There. Okay, so then now to decorate our cupcake, let's come back up here, and I thought it would be nice to write some kisses and hugs, I mean. So I'll just go X and O right across, just following the same angle of our heart. And of course you can put whatever you want here. And of course let's add some sprinkles, right? So here and there I'll just lightly draw some circles. To fill up the space right here. So just kind of stagger them here and there quickly. Okay, you know what? I'll leave it as is before I muddle it up more. Okay, and then last but not least, of course, we still have to add a heart, right? Why not? It is for Valentine's and love. And so I have a heart right there. And that is pretty much it for this Valentine's cupcake. And I really hope this inspires you to draw it too, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.